It's number one as appetizers in Tunisia. We can eat it by hand. It's very delicious and originated from Ottoman Empire.
We'll show how to eat a brick. So first of all, we add some lemon. And then the brick we eat with hand. So we take with the two hands and we go with small bites in order not to make the egg which is inside fall down. So we go with the small bites like this. First with this crunchy layer of a brick. Itadakimasu. Oishii. To go with the small bites, and when we arrive to the egg, we swallow the egg like the Japanese swallow the noodles. Yes, so we go like this.
Now I'm going to show how to make the Tunisian brick, and very easy to make it in the home. So just we need some ingredients. I'm going to introduce some ingredients. We need the malsuka. You can find even international market Tunisian malsuka. Otherwise, you can buy the Japanese harumaki. It's very easy to use. And we need some canned tuna. It's easy to find in Japan. And we need some chopped onion. And we need some chopped parsley. And we need some pepper, egg. Because the tuna is already salty, so sometimes we don't need to put the salt and pepper. Okay, I'm going to now saute the onion with a little bit olive oil, just not too much, just little, 1 tablespoon, slow fire. Just wait, change the color. Now I'm going to put my parsley. Make sure the fire should be a little bit slow. This is the spice our parsley. So I'm going to the other side put my parsley here. Now I'm going to put the tuna to mix here to flavor the tuna with the parsley and onion. The tuna you need to make the scramble, not put the pieces. So now I'm going to add some pepper to get some flavor. So if you like, you can put some black pepper or some salt, because the tuna there is already salt, so I am not going to put the salt. Okay, now this is our stuffing for the brick is ready. Now I'm going to fold the malsuka, then we're going to fry the brick. So this is malsuka. In Japanese harumaki you can find easily. Then they have the square, so you don't need to fold Japanese. Just you can fold and you can fry. So I'm going to fold the malsuka like square. Just make it like this. Very easily you can. Okay. Here is some vegetable oil to fry our brick already. So I'm going to heat the oil. Then I'm going to put the stuffing here. They will put one side half and one side half like this. So I'm going to make the brick just normal running, and just for easy way, just take like this. Take with your plate, very easy, and go slowly, 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 and just drop here. Drop here, and you need to fry slowly. Make sure your egg not come out. When one side is cooked, you can turn the other side. If you want to make the running egg, you can do quickly. You need to be careful because sometimes oil something because of egg. Now almost 1 minute, so my this egg is running here. When it's golden brown, you can take out. But if you want to cook a little bit more hard egg, you would put more time in the oil. So just I take out here. If there is a more oil, you can remove and just cook with the lemon and decoration, and you can serve it.
So with the same ingredients, we can make fingers of Fatma. It's kind of spring roll. It's very easy to make it, so don't hesitate to make it at home.
Now I'm going to make the Tunisian Fatma. I'm going to use the tuna and parsley and onion like brick. What is the brick? Same thing ingredients, no change. Just I'm going to add some white boiled egg. It's cut pieces, just cube or grater. And I'm going to put the mixed cheese. Any type of cheese, no problem. You can mix little bit. We have the shape. It's like one shape for the brick, I use the whole. But this one I cut the four. And put in center. This one. And normally you need to use the hand because there is, and just close like this, just to make it like a haromaki roll, you know. And the important is you need to close with the white egg. Otherwise, it will be open. Just make like this. Very easy, and we're going to fry after. So just fry or heat the oil and fry slowly, like fry the Japanese spinning roll. Same thing.